on the 1st of January, we decided to take a walk into Old Town and just to see what was going on in the evening. And what we found in Old Town was a whole bunch of these markets on the 1st of July. So there were several streets just around the main road of Old Town where they just closed off the road and they filled it with all these markets. They didn't normally in the same place as the Sunday markets, but I guess it was a special occasion in this Christmas New Year's week where they were having evening markets. So this initial part of the video is just scenery from walking around, showing you what New Year's Day was like in Chiang Mai, Thailand on the 1st of January 2025.
Speak English, do you know? Good morning ค่ะตัวร่างกายก็ดีแล้วHappy New Year ช่วงนี้ค่ะเรามีร้องแล้วนะครับเป็นน้องๆจากวงเด็กๆของเราและวงน้องๆและเจ้าหน้าที่ค่ะ
The restaurant's well.
Ah, yeah. Nothing here.
ปลาไม่เคยทานเป็นโตเลยเอาอยู่ประเทศนะ
Oh, there you go. Restaurant, hun.
No, I want simple street food กินเพียปลาเดย์ดีกว่าขายก็ไม่ได้บาทขายบาร์เบอร์เปิดก็ปกติเพราะว่ามันก็งานก็ให้ของตักเปิดก็อยู่นี่นานเลย
What do you say about it?
I will take a photo this one for
Sir?
Rozumiem cicho. Necesito ahí un churrito.
During the day in this Chinatown area, there is a lot of good markets if you're after tourist type items. So a lot of the stuff they sell on the Saturday and Sunday markets and night bazaar are also sold here in the Chinatown area. And if you're after your herbal teas, your coffees, lots of different types of food and snacks, and during the day you can also buy them. But at night they do have a lot of these street markets where they're selling fresh fruit and produce and also other bits and pieces, and they have a few street food stores around in this area. But we were mainly looking for somewhere to eat. We're either looking for good street food or we're looking for a restaurant to eat in, and that's why we were walking back through Chinatown. We'd also parked our car just around the corner here, so we thought, oh well, we'll just walk back through Chinatown and see what else we can find and where we might be able to eat.
คนนึงค่ะเจ้าก็จะเข้ามาให้งอนเจ้า
ได้ไหนต่อให้ใช่ไหม
On the other side of the river, we could see that there was a few different restaurants here. There was a bunch on the left of the bridge and also on the right. But we decided to try the Sai Ping restaurant, which Anne had heard of before and watched it on TikTok and other places where she does. And so we decided, let's go in, check this place out and see what the food's like. Now, we weren't overly hungry. We just wanted to test the vibe of the place. But the way they'd set up the lights was really good, like on the left-hand restaurant and the Sai Ping restaurant. And so it really stands out as you're walking over the bridge, as you can see. And it must cost them a huge electricity bill, I'm thinking. But anyway, we went into the restaurant And it is a bar and restaurant in here, and they also have live music inside this restaurant. There's not much parking here. So if you're going to park, I'd park over towards Chinatown or somewhere on the street, but even street parking is limited. So if you're just here as a tourist, catch a grab over or a tuk-tuk and get delivered here. But it was pretty packed inside, actually, as you'll see. So there's a lot of people in here, and there was a lot of functions and reserved tables in here. On the right there was live music, some ladies singing and guys singing in Chinese, Thai, and Chinese, Thai, and English also. And so we ordered a few things off the menu. That's the bar there, and they had a large range of top shelf type spirits, and they also sold cocktails there and different types of beer. But I just got myself a beer and also ordered some food off the menu. So we didn't order too much. We just ordered like a stir-fry vegetable, a red curry, some rice, and also ordered some of those larger prawns that she wanted to eat at the end of it. But the music wasn't too bad in this place. It was sort of entertaining, nothing fancy, but it was still a nice vibe overall in this restaurant. It was relaxing just being here, like by the river, listening to some live music, all the lights. It was just really colourful here. But here's the red curry that we had. It was pretty nice. The stir-fried vegetables were also nice. Overall, though, it wasn't anything fancy. But anyway, if you like these sort of videos, hit like and please subscribe as I continue to put more of these types of videos up.